Welcome back to RC Mechanic Garage. And today we're going to look at the TFL Racing Bronco and see what the heck happened to it. I mean, it seemed to be running fine. My first run was my fault because I didn't tighten down the slipper clutch. Second time I really don't know. And the third time was in Washougal Falls. It acted like the mesh was all wrong. I don't think it was. So let's talk about this truck. At the time I bought this, it was the most expensive kit that I have ever purchased. Okay, it just seemed like it was awesome quality and fiberglass body, whole bit, axial transmission, original axial SAX10 transmission, and original axial SCX10 type differentials, front and rear. I've not had any problems with them, but that transmission is giving me a headache. Even though stainless steel screws look really cool, they're really soft and they strip out really easy. So that's why there's like this screw missing and there's two up here. Alright, so we're going to take this apart and we're going to see what we need to see and go from there. Alright, so when we were on the trip, the screws I did put back in were the best of all of them. And I still had two of them that wanted to strip out on me. So let's take this body off. It's kind of junking on me right here. Let's take this interior out so we can see better. Or could very well be that this spur gear right here is out of round, because it has a lot of resistance even if I take it off the ground. Oh, look at that. It's like all crooked right there. It's like it's fallen off. I'm pretty sure I took care of that. Alright, so it looks like we're going to have to take it all apart. So let's get the interior out. We'll get this engine transmission out and see what's going on. The transmission's out, and what I found is either there's a spacer missing right up in here, or something like that. But that does not explain the roughness of this. Even if the spacer was missing, it should be fairly smooth. It just wouldn't go back and forth, right? So what I'm going to do is be done with this. We're going to go on with this. This is the SSD, and we're going to go ahead and adapt that to fit right up in here. Right? Okay. Y'all have seen me do this before, but not on this truck. This truck will be a little bit different because there's a lot of difference. Okay. This SSD transmission has been the answer to a lot of things, and it has been very smooth, really low noise. People have asked me about it, and I've told them, hey, there's very little noise and it works great. All I needed to do is I used the original bracket that came with the SSD transmission, and I just put a spacer here and a spacer right over here. Okay, that centered the motor in here, lifted it up to where it needed to be, and everything is level, which is a whole lot better than what I had going on. I had some plates I made to go on the side that were going to go right up in here, and I actually had them installed Don't know where I put them now. Maybe I threw them away already. I don't know. But anyway, the only problem was that the motor was too low. So raising it up to this bottom original hole right here made it fit like perfect. And all I had to do was just lift the tail shaft of this transmission up right here a little bit, and you can see that plate right there that I spaced it up with. Okay, so we're almost there. I did manage to get the body on, right? Still need to secure this windshield. Got the windshield glued in with some hot glue. We're not done with this yet. I'm finding that the trip up to Washington State and back vibrated a bunch of stuff loose. I had it's like the second shock I've had fall off on me. So hopefully that's the end of that. So I went off and I bought these slots right here. These are from RC 4-wheel drive. When I put them together, I didn't realize that you could either dish them in or out. But in this case, I think it works out good, because it's pretty darn true to the era, right? I know that's a big three-letter word, but it's true. It's true to the era. Aluminum slots were pretty big back then, and even though these aren't aluminum, well, look pretty much like it. But the center cap's on there. Looks even a little bit better. It would obviously be a lot deeper in, you know, about 6 millimeters or so. But I think that looks pretty good. My next obstacle was the steering, because I'm not getting the throw out of that servo I want. So I think what I'm going to do, and if you guys really like these tires and wheel combo, you gotta let me know, okay? I'm gonna put this up on Facebook and Instagram, all under the same name, RC Mechanic Garage, right? I'm gonna put this up and ask them also. So I'd like you all to leave a comment as to, you know, whether I should keep it like this or go back to the old wheels and tires. I do still have them, right? And the problem with this truck, these are the ones that came with it, is that the foams are so soft. Oh, that's so much better. I still need to put the spare tire thing, this thing, back up in here. Actually, it's like that. The battery usually comes out the back, so it doesn't really hold anything up. So I still need to put that on, but you know, that I could do that off camera. I think what I'll do is I'm going to take these wheel nuts off and I'm going to put these hubs on, and yeah, we'll see what, you know. I think it looks awesome myself. I'm just hoping that I don't have to take it apart for a while. How about now that I got everything on, we take it for you know, just a little bit of a run. I am really digging these wheels. I mean, these things are like awesome, you know. So let's see how it does. Go through this little mud hole that, you know, that was going on already. It's not really mud anymore, but you know. We did run it yesterday, but you know, oh, I see some rubbish right there. Okay. There we go. Come on. Come on, Diff. Don't hang up. Getting that steering adjusted really helped out, that's for sure. These tires are really grabbing. I like that. Suspension's working like it should. Oh, what's up with that? There we go. Gotta find the line. Differentials are going to be a problem. I can see that right now. But not unlike anything else I have. I have two other trucks where differentials are an obstacle. So the main goal here is to make sure this thing is working, right? Seems to be doing everything I need it to do. Steering is doing what it's supposed to do. Oh yeah. And I'm not sure last time I charged this battery, so it may die part way into this. I'm just saying. It's actually acting like it's dying now. Yep, I think it might be. All right, well, I'm calling it a win. That's what I'm calling it. Yep, the battery's gone. All right, hey, if you like this video, make sure to let me know. And if you like these wheels right here, not just the tires, but the wheels. If you like the wheels, let me know. I think I have my spare tire upside down. It should be lower, right? And it's RC Mechanic Garage. You probably should have liked by now, subscribed by now, and left a comment by now. So if you haven't done that, make sure to do that. And I'll see you on the next video and then on the next project. Thank you for watching.